You have been prompting AI wrong for 2 years, and nobody told you. Every engineer I know is typing long, detailed prompts and getting back mediocre results. Revising, reprompting, wasting hours. There is a better way. It is called loop engineering, and in the next 5 minutes, it will change how you use AI forever. Here is what most engineers do. They open ChatGPT. They type a massive prompt. They get a result. They are not happy. They type another massive prompt. Still not right. This is prompt engineering, and it is exhausting. You are doing the AI's job for it. You are thinking in one shot. AI was never designed for one shot. Loop engineering is different. Instead of one perfect prompt, you design a loop. You give AI a task. AI does it. You review. You give feedback. AI improves. You review again. That is the loop. Simple, powerful, systematic. Think of it like a piping stress analysis. You do not run one calculation and accept it. You iterate, you check, you refine. Loop engineering applies that same engineering mindset to working with AI. There are 4 core loop types you need to know. The first is the refinement loop. You give AI a draft, it refines, you refine, it improves. Perfect for reports and technical documents. The second is the validation loop. AI generates, you check against a standard. AI corrects. This is ideal for engineering calculations and code review. The third is the research loop. AI finds information. You query deeper. AI synthesizes. Use this for standards research and bid preparation. The fourth is the generation loop. AI creates multiple options. You select the best. AI builds on it. Perfect for conceptual design and feed studies. Here is a real example. Imagine you need to write a HAZOP node description. Old way. You type everything in one prompt. You get a generic result. You are disappointed. Loop engineering way. First prompt. Ask AI to list the parameters for the node. Review. Second prompt. Ask AI to identify deviations. Review. Third prompt. Ask AI to assess consequences. Review. Fourth prompt. Combine everything into a formatted report. Same task, same AI, completely different result. That is what a loop does. It forces AI to think in stages, exactly the way a good engineer thinks. Prompt engineering is a skill. Loop engineering is a system. Skills depend on how good you are on a given day. Systems deliver consistent results every single time. If you work in oil and gas, process engineering, or any technical discipline, this approach will save you hours every week. At Intelligent Engineering Solutions, we build AI systems for EPC engineers that work exactly like this. Not one-shot prompts. Engineered loops. Subscribe, because next week we go deeper into how to build your own AI loop for technical report generation.